Hello guys, welcome to Western Diesel's channel. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and install of the Ford Auto Start Stop Delete. It only works with the switch that's shown in the image. This is going to be between the 2015 and current year of the F-150s. Okay, let's dig right in. This is what your package is going to look like if you bought it from Amazon or from us. It may just not have the barcode, so just open it up here. And inside you have the connector itself, device. You have a decal or sticker, and a jumper wire, and instructions. So this jumper wire can be used to break out the switch. Basically, you would cut the wire and attach it to whatever device you're using that switch for. Just keep in mind it's a momentary switch, and it plugs in on the side, as shown. That's pretty much it for the unboxing. Okay, let's jump into the install. This is on a 2016 F-150. There's going to be 3 push pins at the top of the dash that need to be pulled out. You can use a plastic pry bar, or I just use my hands in this case. There's 2 screws that are directly underneath there that need to be pulled out with a ratchet. And you just pull the face off with the same push pins. On the back side, you'll see the connector. That needs to be pulled out. It's the one that goes in the back of the switch for the auto start stop. And just simply plug our device into that switch and the truck into the back of the device. At this point, this is where you would attach your garage door opener or auxiliary switch device, whatever you guys want to put on there. Just tuck the device back behind the dash and push the dash back into place. Reinstall the screws. We can take the whole dash piece off on the top. It just takes a little bit longer and isn't really necessary. And after the install, just verify that it works. That's it. Hope you enjoyed.